Ever wondered why your toddler can go from giggling to a full-blown meltdown in seconds? Or why your teenager seems to be riding a non-stop emotional roller coaster? It's not just them being dramatic, it's all about their developing brains. Let's dive into the fascinating world of how children's brains handle emotions. Imagine the brain has two key players: the amygdala, our emotional alarm system, and the prefrontal cortex, the rational CEO. The amygdala is located deep in the brain, and it's responsible for those quick gut reactions: fear, anger, joy. It's fully developed right from birth. That's why babies can cry when they're uncomfortable or smile when they see a familiar face. This little almond-shaped structure is all about survival and immediate feelings. Now, meet the prefrontal cortex, located right behind your forehead. This is the part of the brain that handles planning, decision-making, and, crucially, emotional regulation. It's the voice of reason that tells the amygdala, hey, calm down, it's just a shadow, not a monster. Here's the catch: the prefrontal cortex is a work in progress. It doesn't fully mature until we're in our mid-20s. So, in a child's brain, you have a powerful, fully formed emotional alarm system, the amygdala, and a still under construction CEO, the prefrontal cortex. It's like having a super sensitive car alarm without a reliable off switch. When a child gets upset, their amygdala lights up and sends out a massive distress signal. The prefrontal cortex, which should step in to soothe the situation, is still learning the ropes. It doesn't have the strong connections yet to effectively manage that emotional surge. This is why logical explanations often don't work in the middle of a tantrum. You're trying to talk to the CEO, but the alarm system is blaring so loudly that no one can hear you. What's happening during these early years is that the brain is building a superhighway of neural pathways between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. Every time you comfort your child, name their feelings for them, and help them find a way to calm down, you're essentially acting as their external prefrontal cortex. You're helping them build and strengthen that connection. When you say, I see you're very angry because your toy broke, you're not just validating their feelings. You're literally helping to wire their brain for better emotional control in the future. This process continues through adolescence. For teenagers, their amygdala is extra sensitive due to hormonal changes, making their emotional reactions even more intense. Meanwhile, their prefrontal cortex is still in its final stages of development. This explains why teens can be impulsive, take more risks, and experience such intense highs and lows. Their brain is working hard to balance this powerful emotional engine with a still developing control center. So, what can we do to support this incredible brain development? It all comes down to connection and co-regulation. Instead of punishing emotions, we need to guide them. This means staying calm ourselves, offering empathy, and teaching healthy coping strategies. Things like deep breathing, taking a break, or drawing about their feelings can be powerful tools. We're not trying to stop the emotions. We're teaching our kids how to ride the emotional wave instead of being swept away by it. Understanding the neuroscience behind our children's emotional outbursts can bring so much more compassion and patience to our parenting. They aren't giving you a hard time, they are having a hard time. Their brains are literally under construction. By being their emotional coach, we're giving them one of the greatest gifts, the foundation for a lifetime of emotional intelligence and well-being. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into child development. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you next time.